Let's talk about the phrasal verb to shell out. To shell out means, in its most simple form, to pay. But usually we use this word to mean that we have to pay a large amount or some amount that is inconvenient for us, and it's usually unexpected. So an unexpected fee. Let's look at some examples. Our oven totally broke down last month and we ended up having to shell out $800 to get a new one. You're gonna have to shell out the big bucks if you want to go to that concert. Get ready to shell out a huge chunk of change for those car repairs. Okay, so there were also a couple bonus money expressions used in this TikTok. The first one was big bucks, which is a large sum of money. So remember that bucks is a synonym for money or cash. So if you spend the big bucks, you're spending a lot of money. And the other one was chunk of change. A chunk of change also means a large sum of money. All right, that's it. I'll see you next time.